Two 20,000 BTUs burners, total output 40,000 BTUs. Stainless steel drip tray for easy cleanup. Matchless ignition. Convenient carry handle. Camp Chef, the way to cook outdoors. Don't be fooled by its size, the Everest 2-burner stove packs a lot of power under the hood. Two high-pressure 20,000 BTUs burners pump out all the heat you'll need to handle your cooking needs and feed your family. A matchless ignition system fires up the Everest quickly and easily. The nickel-coated steel cooking grate is strong and built to hold your pots, griddles, and skillets. Locking lid and handle allow the mountain series to transport easily. Lightweight and compact means you can take it with you on all of your adventures. Top reviews from the United States. Best propane stove I ever had. Have used Coleman stove in the past. Good stoves. But this stove is even better. Much better. 4 things I like most about this stove. 1. It is hot. Very hot. I think all the other stoves are 10,000 BTUs per burner. Some even claim 20,000 BTUs, but that is the combined heat, which is kind of misleading. This stove is 20,000 BTUs per burner, which for me is a big deal as I make lots of coffee, and when you need to boil a large pot of water for dishes it boils fast, very fast. The temp control is excellent too. 2. Very large cooking area. This is great when you have a large pot and pan or large flat griddle. 3. Auto start. It works flawlessly. Just turn on the gas and press and you have instant flame. No clicking and clicking. Stoves without this feature are a pain as you are looking for a long lighter. Hard to believe most stoves in this price range do not even have auto start. 4. Very sturdy and thick stainless steel rack. Thicker than the rest. Good quality. BTW. I also purchased the carry bag on Amazon. Fits perfect and has room for a 1-pound propane cylinder at each end of the bag. I think the price is a bit high. I highly recommend this stove and the carry bag.